Hey honeycrunchers, it's me Jham and welcome back to honeycrunch321. And let me welcome you guys to day 3 of my 12 days of Christmas nail art. I'm showing you guys how I did the golden bell nail art. I'm applying some striping tape on my white base. Then I'm painting a red nail polish on top of it. Then after that, I'm removing the striping tapes. Then I'm doing the cleanup. After letting that red nail polish to dry, I applied top coat. Then I'm using this design. Now I'm filling it in with colors. Then after letting that to dry on my stamper, I'm applying a fast drying top coat onto my nail, letting it to have a sticky surface. Then stamp the design. After all of that, I'm sealing it in with a thick layer of top coat. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Tune in tomorrow for day 4 of my 12 days of Christmas nail art. And that's it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!